Alright, for this video guys, I'm going to show you how you're going to make your personal account in Facebook into a business page. So the purpose of turning your personal Facebook account into a business page, if you are planning to monetize your Facebook account. So what are you waiting for? Let's go directly to our Facebook app, and then we are now in our profile of our Facebook. So as you can see here, we can see the three dots like it's in beside the view tools button. So click that one. So as you can see here, there is an edit, account status, archive, view as, activity log, profile and tagging settings, review posts and tags, privacy center, search, and as you can see here, there is a turn off professional mode. The purpose of this button is you're going to turn on your professional mode. So if your Facebook account is not yet in the business setting, it will pop up here, turn on into professional mode. But since my Facebook account is in the professional mode already, so it says here turn off your professional mode. So if you're going to turn on your personal mode, the picture of your profile will like this one. So as you can see here, your profile, it's a digital creator. So if your Facebook account is not in the business page, it's not stated there that you are a digital creator. But since you turn it on into a professional dashboard, so it pop up already into a digital creator. So as you can see here, your friends in your personal account will go directly as a followers. So my account, I had like 4.2 friends, so it will direct automatically became my followers since I turned it on into a professional dashboard. So there are a lot of benefits when you're going to turn your personal Facebook account into a professional account or a professional mode. There is an option here like you're going to monetize your account. For example, if your Facebook account is in the professional mode, like you can see here the professional dashboard. So here in the professional dashboard, you can see here the tools, monetization, the payouts like Inspiration Hub, moderation assist, and fan engagement tools. So if we are going to click the monetization, you can see here like the stars, like people can send you stars during your live stream or on your videos. You can see here this one. All right, so as for my account, I had like 10 stars already. So the more stars, the more chances of earning with your professional dashboard.